In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a broadcast email in AWeber. A broadcast is a one-time email you send to your audience, perfect for announcements, promotions, or time-sensitive updates. I'll walk you through the full process so you can confidently send your message to the right people at the right time. First, create your message. In your AWeber account, go to Messages, then Drafts. Choose to create a new message using the drag and drop builder. This builder lets you quickly design a professional email by adding text, images, buttons, and more. As you write, keep your content clear and focused on a single goal, like driving traffic to a page or highlighting a new offer. When you're happy with the content, set a concise, benefit-driven subject line to help boost opens. A quick read-through at this stage helps catch any typos or formatting issues. When your email looks good, click Save and Exit. This saves your work as a draft and returns you to the drafts page, where you'll handle scheduling. Saving first ensures nothing is lost, and it lets you make changes later if needed. From the drafts page, find the message you just created and click the Schedule button next to it. This opens the scheduling screen where you'll define who gets the message, when it goes out, and what tracking options you want. Start by selecting your audience. You can choose entire lists or target specific segments. Segments let you fine-tune recipients based on their interests or past behavior, which can improve engagement and reduce unsubscribes. Pick the lists or segments that match the goal of your message. Next, decide when to send. You can send the message now for immediate delivery, or choose a future date and time. If you're scheduling ahead, think about your audience's time zone and typical reading habits so your email lands when they're most likely to check their inbox. Then review your settings. Enable open and click tracking so you can measure performance and learn what resonates. If you want broader reach, you can also set up social media sharing to post your email to connected profiles when it sends. These options help you understand results and extend visibility. Once everything looks right, click Schedule Message to confirm. Your broadcast is now queued to send at the time you selected, or it will go out immediately if you chose to send now. That's all there is to it. Simple, structured, and effective.